Conditional formatting offers you the ability to automatically change how a cell appears, the font color, background fill, and other options based on the value in the cell. Excel offers a variety of commonly used conditional formatting rules, along with the ability to create your own custom rules and formatting. Within the following spreadsheet, we would like to format any deliveries that fall below 300 with a red background and a white color font. Select the range E2 through E10. Select the Conditional Formatting button located under the Home tab within the Styles group to display the Conditional Formatting menu. Select New Rule on the Conditional Formatting menu to display the New Formatting Rule dialog box. Select Format Only cells that contain in the Select a Rule Type area to change the Edit the Rule Description area. In the Edit the Rule Description area, select the arrow in the Relational Operator box to display a list of relational operators, and then select Less Than as the desired operator. Select the rightmost box and type 300 to enter the value of the rule description. Select the Format button to display the Format Cells dialog box. Select the Font tab and choose white as the font color. Select the Fill tab and choose red as the background color. Select the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box and display the new Formatting Rule dialog box with the desired font and background colors displayed in the preview area. Select the OK button to assign conditional formatting to the selected range. Now that you have applied the conditional formatting to the selected range, test the conditional formatting by changing one of the cell's numbers. Don't forget to change the number back to its original value.